In a world awash with data, the quest for precision in our analysis has never been more critical. This brings the concept of error estimation into prominence, serving as our beacon towards accuracy. Far from just a technique, error estimation is foundational to ensuring the reliability of data analysis. By mastering these methods, we can evaluate the precision of our data and the predictions derived from it, a capability that spans every discipline where data speaks. Understanding the margin of error empowers us to make informed decisions, boosting confidence in our conclusions and refining our methods. Amidst this, adopting a pessimistic error estimation approach, where we prepare for the worst case scenario, adds a layer of robustness against unexpected errors. As we delve deeper, keep in mind that this knowledge is not purely academic. It's a vital tool for empowerment in navigating the vast seas of data analysis. Within the expanse of data analysis where certainty is rare, the methodology of pessimistic error estimation emerges as a crucial navigator through the uncharted territories of worst-case scenarios. It ensures that our analyses remain steadfast, especially against the inevitable errors. This approach, by preparing for the worst, effectively transforms from a bleak outlook to a protective shield against data inaccuracies. Why adopt this stance? It's about anticipating and managing risks, ensuring our data's narrative is resilient and realistic, not just wishful thinking. As we explore error estimation and risk management, we'll see how a seemingly negative approach can actually enhance the integrity and reliability of our analyses, particularly in scenarios where the consequences of optimism are too great to ignore. At the heart of data analysis, adopting a pessimistic approach doesn't merely anticipate errors, it prepares for the worst of them. This mindset amplifies the reliability of our analyses in high-stakes situations where a slight oversight can have significant repercussions. By embracing the most severe outcomes, risk management becomes an instrument of empowerment, crafting strategies that are resilient, adaptable, and effective. The pessimistic approach transforms our data from merely accurate to essentially bulletproof, emphasizing the indispensable role of reliability and risk management. Remember, navigating the waters of uncertainty with a sturdy vessel equipped for the harshest storms is not just wise, it's imperative for reaching conclusions we can trust. Mastering pessimistic error estimation requires a methodical approach, incorporating specific steps, tools, and techniques tailored to various fields and data characteristics. This journey begins with identifying potential errors, laying the groundwork for robust analysis. Choosing appropriate tools and methodologies isn't a one-size-fits-all. It depends on the application domain. This process, from delineating error boundaries to applying specialized risk management tools, transforms theoretical knowledge into a practical arsenal. By simulating worst-case scenarios, we gain insight into potential pitfalls, enhancing the reliability of decisions across diverse domains. As we dive deeper, the importance of adopting a pessimistic stance in bolstering data accuracy becomes evident, paving the way for exploring real-world applications. As our exploration of pessimistic error estimation concludes, let's reflect on the journey we've undertaken. This methodology is more than a tactic, it's a paradigm that anchors our analytical endeavors, ensuring resilience against the unpredictable. We've learned how assuming the worst-case scenario can shield our work and elevate the integrity of our data. Critical for data scientists, statisticians, and risk managers alike, this approach teaches us a profound lesson. In preparing for the worst, we equip ourselves for optimal outcomes. Remember, the path towards data accuracy and reliability is a commitment, one that empowers us to face the complexities of data analysis with confidence and purpose.